We were called shortly before 10 o'clock this morning after a car collided with a building at the study prep school behind me in Camp Road. A large number of our officers were deployed to the scene, along with paramedics from the London Air Ambulance and London Ambulance Service. Our officers, along with colleagues from other emergency services, provided first aid to a number of people who had been injured. Very sadly, one of the children, an 8-year-old girl, died at the scene. Our thoughts are with her family at this incredibly difficult time. The driver of a car, a woman aged in her 40s, stopped at the scene and has since been arrested for causing death by dangerous driving and remains in police custody. This is a very difficult time for everyone here at the school and across the wider community. We would ask people not to speculate while we work to understand the full circumstances of what has happened during this tragic incident. But I will say we are not treating this as a terrorist incident. Our officers have already spoken to a number of witnesses and have viewed the CCTV. If anyone has any information, please either call 101 or speak with officers at the scene. Any information that can assist as we try to work out what's happened today. I will now hand you to Dr. John Martin from the London Ambulance Service, who can provide more details about their response. Thank you.
Good afternoon, I'm John Martin, the Chief Paramedic for London Ambulance Service. Can I begin by saying on behalf of the London Ambulance Service that our thoughts are with all of those involved in this morning's incident. At 9:54 we received a 999 call to a collision on Camp Road in Wimbledon. We dispatched multiple resources, including specialist critical care paramedics, London's Air Ambulance and 15 ambulances. We declared a major incident and stood up a specialist operations centre. We treated 16 patients on scene. Sadly, as we've heard, one 8-year-old girl died. We conveyed 10 patients to hospital. We want to thank our staff who worked hard and tirelessly whilst on scene, and also to the school staff and members of the public who helped in those early moments. Our hearts go out to all those involved in today's tragic incident. I'll now hand over to Andy from the London Fire Brigade.
Good afternoon everybody, my name is Andy Pennick from the London Fire Brigade. I'm Deputy Assistant Commissioner for the South East area. I'd like to start by echoing the thoughts from John and Claire around this tragic incident, and our thoughts go out to the study preparatory school, family and friends of all those affected by today's tragic incident. London Fire Brigade crews were called to scene this morning, where they initially assisted by making emergency access for police and ambulance colleagues, and then supported London Ambulance Service paramedics in administering immediate emergency care to members of the public that were injured as part of this incident. We are now prepared and will support the study preparatory school and the wider community through our community engagement function, and we will also be supporting our staff who responded to this tragic incident. I'd like to close by thanking London Ambulance, Metropolitan Police, the local school and local community who all stepped forward to support everybody involved in today's tragic incident. Thank you.